Hello everyone. Today I will present my data structures lab project. The goal of this assignment was to implement a C++ class named calculus class that performs for basic operation on an array of numbers like summation, multiplication, division, and subtraction. I designed this program to be dynamic, meaning the user can decide how many numbers they want to calculate. Let me walk you through my code. First, I created the class called CalcuClass, like that. Inside this class, I defined four void functions. Each function takes a pointer to an array and the size of that array as parameters, like that. For the summation function, I initialized a sum variable to 0. Then I used a for loop to iterate throughout every element in the array and add them to total sum. Like multiplication. First, that's summation. For the summation function, I initialized a sum variable to 0. Said. For multiplication, the logic is similar, but I initialized the result variable to 1 instead of 0, because multiplying by 0 would reset the result. Then also division and subtraction. For division and subtraction, the logic is slightly different. I take the first element of the array as the starting point. Then the loop starts from index 1. Like in subtraction, I subtract the following numbers from the first one. In division, I divide the first number by the rest. I also added an if statement here to check if a number is 0 to prevent a crash caused by division by 0. Now let's look at the main function. This is where the data structures concept comes in. I asked the user for the size first, then I used pointer and the new keyword to allocate memory dynamically. And to make the program user-friendly, I created the show many functions that displays the interface exactly as requested in the lab instructions, including my name and ID. In here, my name is İnan, ID, right? Inside the loop, I used the switch case structure. If the user process 1, it calls the summation function. If they press 2, 3, or 4, it calls the respective functions from my class. Case 5 sets the boolean the false and closes the loop. Case 5 sets the boolean and to false and closes the loop. the final and very importantly before the program ends, I used the delete command since I manually allocated memory using new at the beginning. I must manually release it here to prevent memory leaks. This concludes my presentation. I successfully implemented the CalcuClass, dynamic arrays, and the menu system as required. Thank you for the listening.